Hey guys, Pallab Kushal with you from Affiliate Success Hub, and in this particular video I'm going to talk to you about how to build a done for you affiliate business with solo ads traffic starting today. In a moment from now, I am going to share with you the exact four components that are required to build a done for you affiliate marketing business starting from scratch. Not only that, I am also going to be showing live demo of each and every component and how you can implement them in your business starting today. Plus, for staying with me for the entire video, I have a special bonus giveaway for you at the end. Once again, thank you so much for watching this video, and let's begin. Alright, so let's begin. So there are four components, as I told you before, of building a done for you affiliate business with solo ads traffic. So let's look at them in details. What are these components? Number one, what we need is a product. The first requirement of building a successful online marketing business is to have a product in place which you're going to promote. The best part is that, and in part of affiliate marketing or as a part of affiliate marketing business, you don't need to create any kind of product. You don't need to build any sales pages or host those pages, write copies for these pages, and then set up the payment gateway. None of these stuffs are required from you. Only thing you need to do is pick up a ready-made, proven affiliate marketing product which you can promote. So that's the first component. The second component is a funnel. Now, once you pick up a particular product, you need to wrap up the product with your funnel. The funnel means when your traffic or visitors come, they are going to be sent to your capture page from where you are going to be capturing their email list. Because if they see your product first, and if you don't capture those emails or those leads, they might, they will be leaving your sales pages, and you can never ever capture those people ever again in your business. That means you are leaving money on the table. However, through a funnel, if you can capture them and then show the sales page, so because you are not capturing those lists, so those email lists becomes part of your own business. They become part of your own autoresponder, so that whenever you want to, you can follow up with them in the future, or you can send them broadcast about the same or about plenty of other affiliate marketing offers available in the same niche. All right. So if you don't do that, basically you are leaving money on the table. So as a marketer, you should be capturing those email lists. Okay. So that we do via creating a funnel, which I'm going to show it to you in a while after you select a product. Number three, we need to send traffic to the offers, because without traffic, there is no business. Imagine this: you open a shop, you open a boutique with a $1 million investment, or you open a restaurant, a nice restaurant in the best locality in your city. But what if no one comes to your restaurant or to your boutique? Will you make any money? Will you make any business? The answer is no. Similarly, once you have an offer online and once you build a funnel, the most important thing you need is to send visitors or traffic to that offers. But the great thing in online marketing world, it is 1,000 times, million times easier compared to offline world, when you need to invest millions of dollars to build your business or build your product and then advertise. However, in online marketing world, you can start with $50 or $100, and you can start advertising your business via sending traffic, or what we call in this case solo ads traffic, to your offer. So you can get super targeted traffic coming and visiting your funnel. So they are opting in with their email ID or their name and email ID, and you are basically capturing those leads, and if they buy, you are making commissions instantly. Plus, the fourth point is you are also building your passive income business, meaning that once you build your email list and you store them inside your autoresponder, which is nothing but a software from where you can store your list and you can email them wherever you want to. So you have that reservoir of your list, and then whenever you want to, might be on a daily basis or might be twice a day or every alternative day, you can email them about the same opportunity or about other opportunities. So imagine that if you start building your email list like hundreds and then thousands and then tens of thousands, what happens, you are basically increasing your own reservoir, and then whenever you are mailing to those email lists, you are going to be making passive income on a daily basis. You might have heard about people who do nothing but just send an email a day, might be 10 minutes a day, 15 minutes a day, and they make a full-time living online. How they do that? They do that because they build their email list via their funnel, and in the long term that pays you the easiest and fastest passive income out there. All right. So once again, these are the 4 components of a done for you affiliate marketing business. Your product, which you're going to select as an affiliate marketer, which I'm going to show it to you in a while. Number 2 is the funnel, which you set up. I'm going to show you the example also. Number 3, you send traffic or solo ads to the funnel, and then you build the email list and you send broadcasts or emails to the list for passive income. These are the only 4 components you need, to make passive income online and have it done for your business in place. Now let me show you the live example as promised to you. First of all, I'm going to show it to you how to pick up offer. Now I am inside Warrior Plus. The website name is warriorplus.com. Now in my opinion, this is one of the best places to start your journey as an affiliate marketer, because you get a lot of targeted products out here, easiest to get approved. Payment gateway is all set up. You don't need to bother about anything, and there are no dearth of products, and easy to get approval also. So what you need to do for that, go to affiliate and click on offers. So once you go to offers, you can see that there are literally hundreds and thousands of offers out there, which you can simply pick up and you can start promoting. So what you need to do, first of all, check out the offer. You should be having a conversion rate of 10% or above. That's a good conversion rate. Visitor value, also known as EPC, or earning per click. That means how much money you are making per click you are sending to the offer. Anything above $1 is like absolutely good. Now once you have these things ready and these things set in your way, the next thing to do is simply click on the request to get approved. All right, so once you get approved, you can simply click over here and get your link. So that's your affiliate link, which is specific to you, so anybody buys from that link, you make the money. Once you have that, you need to build a funnel, which is our second component. Right, the second component, remember, is the funnel. So in funnel, we build a capture page, a simple capture page. No need to be very flashy stuff like bridge pages in the beginning or bonus pages. Nothing is required. A simple capture page. Now for example, in this capture page, my headline says attention with rates, which kind of immediately captures the attention. How to make minimum $20 per day even as a newbie with this proven and tested method. Now this kind of a funnel you can use for almost any offer just by changing the amount here and there. Now it is called a blank capture page, wherein the page can be blank, and you can, with a bit of tweak, you can use it for any offer. And then I have used the subheadline using nothing but your laptop and the internet connection, which kind of connects with person, because people can think I have a laptop, I have internet connection, I can also make it happen. So then I have given a bit of a income proof, and then I have a picture with my son. Now once you give a picture of yourself, what happens, it helps to connect with your audience, because everybody would love to do business or buy from a real, genuine, authentic person. So if you have a social image like this, do share that, it helps. And then you capture the email, that's it. So once you do that, you have your funnel ready, and then next what you do, you start sending traffic. Now in this video, I'm going to share you a few examples of super targeted solo ads traffic, which is, now I'm a big recommender of solo ads traffic, basically wherein you leverage traffic from other existing marketers' email list. That's what is solo ads all about. And in soloadsx.com, you can see plenty of traffic sellers out there. All you need to do is simply click on contact now. It will be sent to their page. You can ask them any questions via their Facebook or Skype, or you can directly make the purchase. As simple as that. Okay, so that's the next thing. The other solo ad traffic site which I want to suggest to you is trafficforme.com. This is a website. Here also you can place traffic. You can select different kind of traffic. Let's say I want to select internet marketing traffic, then you can see the number of clicks. And if I want to select, let's say, crypto Bizop MMC, and I can select like premium traffic, I can go for these different options for the traffic. Minimum clicks over here is 200, so if I can just click over here, I just selected the $200 package, so it's like one time. I'll be going for one time at least for the first time, and then simply I have to pay this money $194, and the order will start within 48 hours. Very simple. The best thing about solo ads traffic, it is super newbie friendly. No need to have any technical things. Now once you start building your email list by sending traffic to your solo ads, which is our third component, then we'll go to our fourth component, which is building our list and then making passive income. Now once your leads come inside your autoresponder, then what we do, we simply email them on a daily basis with our email service line. Like this one says, wake up call, urgent, whatever is the subject line then, and this kind of emails you can send them on a daily basis. You can see people are opening, they're clicking, and you will be starting to make passive income like that from this method. So I believe this video about 4 different components of building a done for you affiliate marketing business starting today is going to be super duper helpful for you. If you have any questions, do write them in the comment section. I read each and every comment of yours, and I'll be more than happy to answer if you have any further questions about this. Now, having said that, if you like this video or the content of the video, do like the video, so it gives me the inspiration to make this kind of super valuable video for you. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, do subscribe to my channel for this kind of full power proof videos about affiliate marketing and online marketing coming your way, and hit the bell icon so that whenever I upload any video, it directly being sent to your email inbox. Now in the next video, I'm going to show it to you with live proofs and example hyper targeted solo ads traffic that converts into leads and sales. Having said that, that's it from this particular video. I'll see you in the next video.